घर चाहता है कि हमारी बेटियां काम करें, चांद पे जाए और जाने से पहले 4 पराठे और 2 चाय बना के जाए।
No matter how smart you get, how successful you get, but a man would never like a girl more successful or brilliant than him.
कई लोग कहते हैं कि मुझे बिल्कुल अपने पापा जैसे लड़का चाहिए, मैं तो कभी नहीं कहती है।
As a woman, try to not demand anything. Get so good that you can command it.
जैसे कि आज बहुत बड़ा चेंज आ चुका है कि हर घर चाहता है कि हमारी बेटियां काम करें, चांद पे जाए और जाने से पहले 4 पराठे और 2 चाय बना के जाए। लेकिन ये सिर्फ औरत ही करे और किसी से एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं है ये चीज़। लड़की काम करके आ रही है, लड़का काम करके आ रहा है, अब घर में बच्चे हैं, तो जब बच्चा पिता के पास जाए तो परिवार कहेगा औरत से कि थक के आया है, ले लो अपने पास। लेकिन जब औरत थक के आई है तो कहेगा इतना कैसा काम कि बच्चे पे ही ध्यान नहीं है।
But it's sad that only women cook. Like I said, even me, I just learned cooking and I organically cook because, why did my brothers not learn how to cook? I mean, of course, I spent a lot of time with my mom, but I don't know, did my mother even ever call my brother and say, hey, dekho kaise namak dalte hain or whatever? But my mom would call me and say, beto, just look. So women have always cooked as if it's their duty. Whenever men cook, it becomes like, array. It's because they're good at it and, they're doing something different or exceptional.
So if you're in a bad marriage and you continue, you're telling your child that you can be in a bad marriage, you may not be in love, you all could be hating each other, but continue because because everyone around is going to judge you. I remember one of my very close friends, she had a kid and she was in a bad marriage. And the thing is, when you have a kid, you continue. That is the thought कि अच्छा अभी बच्चे के लिए continue. And I remember talking to her and she was like, I don't know what to do. And I said, listen, he's going to grow up with an idea of marriage which is so skewed because he's seeing that. He's never going to experience real love, real joy, real companionship because he sees, oh, this is what normal marriages are. You need to, he'll be happier. He'll flourish. He will be hurt initially, but he will flourish. He'll have 2 parents who are saner because they're not together and trying to kill each other.
जब मेरा पहला पीरियड आया था, यूजुअली मदर होती हैं जो केयर गिवर बनती है, मेरे फादर थे और मैंने घर में हल्ला मचा दिया। टीनेजर थी ना मैं, हार्मोन्स यहाँ सर घूम गया था। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर माई फादर वाज द वन हु गॉट सैनिटरी नैपकिन। ही एक्चुअली डिड द होल प्रोसेस फॉर मी। हॉट वाटर बॉटल से लेके कैसे करना है बेटा, क्या करना है, तो वो मेरे हाथ पैर दबाते थे। He was the caregiver.
No girl would want to believe this, but the truth is that no matter how smart you get, how successful you get, but a man would never like a girl more successful or brilliant than him. Of course, rare cases can work, but if you are growing too rapidly in a professional career or this and that, sometimes I have seen marriages work because the woman failed. It's such a strange thing that I've seen in my life.
As a woman, try to not demand anything. Get so good that you can command it. And the first thing you got to do with that, educate yourself. Respect is commanded. It's not demanded anymore. Sometimes all a woman wants really कि मुझसे कोई 5 मिनट मेरी बात सुन ले, बस. That's empowering. So let's just give women the space to do that and the respect, the ability to earn that respect. We don't want it just because we are women. We just want the ability, the space, the freedom to earn that respect.